We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels and have been full-timing since December of 2017. We have a Volvo heavy-duty truck, Leroy, with our 2 Spider motorcycles, our DRV mobile suites, Dixie, and our smart car, Zippy. We have a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher in our RV, which I love, and it needs to be cleaned periodically.
Well, first of all, you take the racks out and all that, and then you go like that, undo that, and lift this plate like that.
Ew.
And look at the slime underneath there. Plus there's this little filter basket that you should pull out every now and then and rinse it, probably every load, and rinse it out.
Wow. I know that's not happening.
It will be now.
So how are you going to clean this?
I'm going to bring this outside and blast it with a hose. Maybe a little bit of bleach and water. There we go. That looks pretty good. A bit of bleach, water.
You're just sponging out the water. Clean in the rain?
Yeah, it's no rain.
Does that come out of there too? You leave that in?
I don't know if this comes out or not.
I
don't want to try breaking it.
Putting it back together again. Put the O-ring in first.
Yeah. This goes.
The blade just lays there.
That just lays there.
And there it is. Nice, shiny, clean. Smells good too.